welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just got off work and I'm going to be busy for the next couple days at the Izzy Gen Beauty convention. So I just thought that I would go ahead and show you guys what I got, which was the brown sugar box. So I'm gonna do a slight show and tell. With this box, you get 5 to 6 items, and it's $39.99 a month. I saw this as an advertisement on Instagram, like one of those sponsored advertisements on Instagram. And once I saw it, I was like, oh my God, I have to get it. So it's by Izzy and Liv. They do have a website. So if you want to get, specific items or you want to get something individually, you can. But I'm all about subscription boxes and stuff like that, as you know, because I love Ipsy. I've done BoxyCharm, I've done Scentsy, and I'm actually getting ready to do another one. I won't tell you just yet. I'll wait to do another YouTube video on it because it will be here in April. So let's just go ahead and get started. Each box, I want to let you guys know, each box does come with a t-shirt. Every box comes with a t-shirt. They're going to ask you your size. And this is pretty much my first impression too, because I just got it like 15 minutes ago. So when you open the box, it comes like this. It comes with their magazine. The magazine has articles and it tells you what you get in the box. So these, I don't know if you could see it. Sorry, my lighting is bad. So these are the ones, this is what you're supposed to get. But I heard on somebody else's Instagram that there was a particular, this breast set, they were replacing with something else because I guess it fell through. So let's get rid of all this stuff. Thankfully, I have a trash can right here. Okay, so I got the NYX Love in Paris palette, which is really cute. And then I got I got earrings. These little cute pink tassel earrings. Cute little pink tassel earrings. I got a super cute mirror that says, "Don't let this cute face fool you." This is super cute. Super cute little mirror. Definitely going to stick that in my purse. And then I got the Ultra Matte Long Lasting Lip Colors. So it came with 3 glosses. I'm not going to touch these. They are Izzy and Liv Beauty. I'm not going to open these because I'm probably going to give these away. I just have way too many lip colors. ColourPop has spoiled me. So I also got this cute burnt orange, is really one of my favorite colors. This cute little burnt orange bag with the little cute tassels. I really like that. That's super cute. Super cute rings. So these were a replacement item for the makeup bag that was supposed to be coming. So those are really cute. So I got 2 pairs of earrings. And so last but not least, I got their shirt. And let's see. I always get large. So, and I love shirts that fit the girly. I like the girly style shirts. I don't like the boy style shirts. So I got this shirt that says Pretty Brown Eyes. And I think it is so cute. This is super cute. I love it. It's kind of like it looks like they tried to do like a rose gold color, but it came out a little gray. But I love it. So my overall thoughts, I really wanted to make this video quick and straight to the point. Like, I like it. I don't love this box. I'm not really into, like, I have Ipsy for the whole makeup stuff, so I'm not really into the makeup that they give. But as far as like the earrings and the cute little accessories and the t-shirt and the orange pocketbook, I love that type of stuff. So I'm probably gonna order about 2 or 3 more of these, and just to get a feel for it. And if after the third one I'm not really feeling it, I'm just gonna not subscribe anymore. I'm actually getting tired of Ipsy too, so I may stop subscribing there. But I love the whole element of surprise that the subscription boxes give you. So if you guys have any more suggestions for subscription boxes, let me know. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching, and please keep a lookout for my giveaway. I should be doing my giveaway within the next 2 weeks, so keep a lookout for my 100 subscriber giveaway, and I'll talk to you guys later.